And I've been trying to hide, but I know it's just a matter of time until I break down. All the stress that I hold too much weight now. Got the pills I don't really want to take, but it feels like I walk in the devil's playground. Rain clouds in the head too often, brain dead in a bed that's a coffin. Having thoughts in the head blown off every time that I close my eyes, no stopping. I don't think that anyone get it, so I don't want to tell anybody what's really going on in my head. I just want to be alone and listen to the music and let it tell me the way I need to feel. So I don't think I'm effective, it's getting worse every day that'll pass. Getting too high, get us wait for the crash. Started when I met my dad and then he left again. Abandonment the only thing I expect I can't run when I'm in a nightmare. Everything goes wrong, what do I care? Trying to grab happiness when it's right there, but it slips through the grip and it's